Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 1st, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is Rainbows. Skyfire by Frank Asch. One day, Bear looked out his window and saw a rainbow. He had never seen a rainbow before. To Bear, it looked like the sky was on fire. "Oh my goodness," called Bear to his friend Little Bird. "Just look at the sky." Little Bird flew over to Bear's window. "Why, it's a rainbow," said Little Bird. "Come on, let's go find the pot of gold." "Pot of gold," said Bear. "What are you talking about?" "Don't you know?" replied Little Bird. "They say there's a pot of gold at the end of every rainbow." "What nonsense," said Bear. "The sky is on fire and all you can talk about is gold." And he picked up an empty honey pot and ran outside. At the pond, Bear filled the pot with water. Then he ran toward the rainbow. He ran and he ran and he ran. "Look, Bear," said Little Bird. "The rainbow ends right by that hollow tree." But Bear wasn't listening. He was busy climbing a hill. When he got to the top, he threw the water at the rainbow. Just then, the rainbow faded away. Little Bird chirped, "Look, Bear, I found the gold." Bear went to the tree. Inside, he found lots of golden honey. He filled his pot and took it home. That night, Little Bird came over. Bear made honey cakes. After dinner, they went for a boat ride. For a long while, they were very quiet. Then Little Bird said, "So it was a rainbow, and I found the pot of gold." "Oh, no, it wasn't," replied Bear. "It was a sky fire, and I put it out." The end. We're going to make a coffee filter rainbow. So your craft to go kit is a coffee filter cut in half. So it's half of a coffee filter to make the rainbow shape. And then you'll need washable markers and rainbow colors. I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And you'll need a paintbrush and some water. Now the first thing you're going to do is color the rainbow the way it looks. Now if you do it somewhat differently, that's your choice. But I'm going to do mine in order. I also have this paper towel because excuse me, because it soaks in the water at the end and it helps it to kind of disperse a bit. So I'm just gonna do it. And remember, the colors should bleed, so you don't have to do them perfectly the way you want them to look. So that's all we're going to do is color the colors of the rainbow. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I finished. I had enough room to do it twice. You can see it went through to the other side. Now all we're going to do is paint with water on it. So just take your paintbrush, dip it in the water, and paint all over it. Get lots of water on it so it all bleeds. And it should start looking like tie-dye. See the green's bleeding into the yellow like that, and the orange and the red. See how it kind of looks tie-dyed? Make sure you get the whole thing nice and wet. You can actually get a spray bottle and spray water onto it if you want, but this is the much neater way. You don't get water all over everything, especially if you put a paper towel down first. See how the purple's bleeding down? It's got pink coming out of it. Isn't that neat? And that should be good. This is what it looks like, and we'll put it up when it's dry. You'll be able to see through it. And look at my paper underneath my paper towel. So we'll just let that dry, and you'll have yourself a coffee filter rainbow.